So for number 9, a building with a rectangular base is to be constructed on a lot in the form of a right triangle with legs 18 meters and 24 meters. So we'll sketch. So there is a right triangle. So its legs is 18 meters and 24 meters. And inside of the right triangle has a rectangle. So if the building, so let's continue. If the building has one side along the hypotenuse of the triangle, so the rectangular building has one side on the hypotenuse. So let's draw. So find the dimensions of the base of the building for maximum floor area. So we'll find the area of the rectangle. So uh, first thing to do, we'll find the hypotenuse. So what is the value of this one? So by Pythagorean theorem, we will solve for C for hypotenuse. So we'll have C squared equals to 18 squared plus 24 squared. So we have C is equals to a square root of, so what is 18 squared plus 24 squared. So according to our calculator, so C is equals to 30 meters. So we'll have C is equals to 30 meters. So and then our next step is notice that if we divide the triangle by this one, so we'll divide the uh, triangle by this one and also the rectangle inside. So this part here, so we'll find the y. See, let's say this is y, the width, and this is the length. This is the length of the rectangle. So let's say this is 2x, and let's say this is x, and this is x, and we will try to find this value here, the yellow line, so the height, so the h. So to do that, we will to find the value of h, we will equate the area of triangle. So to do that, so area of triangle is equals to just area of triangle. So we have, what is the area of triangle? So 1 half base times height. So 1 half base times height equals to 1 half base times height. So to further simplification, so 1 half base. So the base for this uh, right triangle is 24 multiplied by its height is 18, and then 1 half is equals to the base. So the base for this, if we try to invert the right triangle, the base will be 30 meters, right? So it is just like that, and this is, there is a rectangle, this draw a rectangle inside, so it is 90 degrees also. And then this is the height, and then this is So we'll just rewrite this is 2x. So this is x and this is x. So this is 30. So this is 30. So we have the base is 30 and the height is unknown. So we'll find its height. So height, so we'll cancel 1/2. So by using calculator we have, so 24 times 18 all over 30. So 24 times 18 all over 30. So 14.4. So 14.4 meters. So at h equals 14.4. So we'll now have the value of height. So notice that this, if we have this one, so our ultimate goal is to find the dimensions, so that we will now maximize the area, this rectangle right here. So try to notice that if we divide these two triangle, we can now form a right triangle also. So, and also it has a rectangle also in the inside, so we will now use similar triangles. So to do that, we will have, so by similar triangle, so this is the value. So 14.4 minus, so this is y, so 14.4 minus y, this right here. So this is x and this is 14.4, and this is 30 divided 2 is just equals to 15. So we'll have 14.4 minus y, so 14.4 minus y all over x, so is equals to 14.4 all over, so 30 divided by 2 is just equals to 15. So by solving, we have, so for solving for y, so we have 14.4x is equals to 15 times 14.4, so it is 216 minus 15y. So we have 15y is equals to 216 minus 14.4x. So y is equals to 216 divided 15. So 14.4 minus, so 14.4 all over 15. So it is 24 all over 25x. So this is our value for x, so for y. So after this one, we will now ready to maximize the dimensions of the rectangle. So we have the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is just equals to length times width. So the length of this one, so the length of this one is this 2x. This one, this is the length. So 2x, we have 2x. So the width is y, right? So this is y width. So we'll have 2xy. So area is just equals to 2x. So will not be able to maximize because it is not in the same variable. So y, so value of y is just equals to 14.4 minus 24 all over 25x. So we have further simplification. So we have 14.4 times 2, so 28.8x minus, so 48 all over 25 x squared. So after this one, we'll now able to differentiate with respect to x. So we have 28.8 minus, so 48 all over 25 multiplied by 2x. So we have 0. So we'll now equate to 0. So we have 0 is equals to 28.8 minus, so 48 all over 25 times 2. So 96 all over 25 x. So we have x is equals to 28.8 times 25 all over 96. So x is equals to 8.8 times 25 all over 96. So x is equals to 7.5 meters. So at x equals to 7.5 meters, 5 meters. So y is equals to 14.4 minus 24 all over 25 times 7.5. So y is equals to, so by using calculator, we have 36 over 5, or just 7.2 meters. So let's take note that the length, our length, so we are required for the dimensions. So for length is equals to 2x. So at x is equals to 7.5 meters. So L is equals to 2 times 7.5. L is equals to 15 meters. So for the width is equals to y. So width is just equals to 7.2 meters. So this is now our dimensions, 15 meters by 7.2 meters. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. 15 meters by 7.2 meters. So our answer here is correct.